Hi, Vinny from Project Frugal. We're just off to get some wooden pallets to build the free compost bin. Let's go. Let's just go in the industrial area and we'll have a look. I see what you mean about just on the side of the road. Well, at least for a couple of them. There's a couple over there as well.
Oh yeah. That one's good.
Where?
That one was good.
That one looks alright.
Yeah.
If you don't mind colour of it.
No. Usually they just put them out what they don't want.
Oh yeah.
Well, they kind of just hold together as...
Oh, there's a whole pile. There's a whole pile right there, behind that fence. We'll get those.
No, we won't get those ones.
We won't get those ones.
Where is it? Let's just see if there's any here of any use.
Is that going to be alright?
Yes, there's two there.
Okay. Two?
Yes.
He's dead. Right, this way.
Mm-hmm. It's quite eco-looking green. That'd be a nice light one. Help you if you want me to.
Right.
Right, that's probably all we need actually. Quite heavy, eh? That's it.
We've got the 3 pallets that we need. Let's get home.
Many months later.
It's slippery. Speckles. Hi, Speckles. Hi, Little. How's Little? It's our new chicken. She doesn't have a name yet. Hello, Chickie. Hi, Chickie. So this here is our compost area, and we've just had to replace some of these pallets here. We find that they last about 5 years, so these ones have seen better days, so we've got some new ones. We'll replace that one next, but all of the compost in here has to be moved over into this one, and then we can look at replacing these pallets as well. So all we do is we put them up like that, and we tie the sides so that it's nice and simple, easy to do. Doesn't take 5 minutes really, does it, Vinny? Okay, so put the other one on and I'll go and get the string. That's it. Might need to fit it inside.
Doesn't even need to be tied by the looks of it.
It does, in case it falls on a chicken.
Okay. You're going to tie it on both sides, are you?
Yeah, I'll even it up.
Yep.
So ideally you would use some cable ties, but we can't find those right now, so we're just going to use some string. Actually, just bring it down. Can you just put your finger there so that thank you. Oops. Done. And that will keep it from falling down.
And this is just so the chickens, so if we have some strong wind or anything, the front of it doesn't fall on top of the chickens. That's the idea. And we'll get rid of this lovely old wheelbarrow here, which is basically fallen apart.
So there's no need for any sawing or cutting or anything like that. It does its job just like that. In fact, it's probably less of a hassle just to have it like this, because you don't have to, you can just cut this and pull apart and then get the compost out.
This is going to take ages to break down, so we haven't turned it really, we haven't done anything with it. We should turn it, but we'll just leave it. It's just going to sit there, it's going to rot down over time, and it'll be amazing when it's finished. And all this green stuff here, that'll rot down as well. And hopefully this one we will actually turn. This will be, we really need to break it up a bit more so it's smaller pieces, but hey, we've always got summer to do that.
Well, this is different to that though. That's more sticks and branches, whereas this is more green stuff.
Denise has got a whole bunch of pumpkin seeds, so we might as well plant some pumpkins. I can grow it out over that way. I'm just gonna dump a whole lot in there because don't put too many in there, that'll be heaps. It's loads, probably too many. Not that I know anything about growing pumpkins, but we'll find out.
Right, done.
Is that it?
Yep.
So as you can see, it's spring in New Zealand. Everything's overgrown. There's been a lot of rain. We have to do a bit of a tidy up on all of this over summer. But gives us something to do. It'll be good. Right, let's go and chase this chicken. Hello, chicken. Where you going? Oh, you're going to stay still? I'll give you a pet. Oh, you like that, don't you? It's nice and sunny, isn't it? Eh? Now you're going to run off. Come back. Come back, chicken. Oh, there's a chicken. There's a little chicken. Hello, little chicken. Are you going to run off too? Yep, we got a nice harvest of lemons that this tree has traditionally not done very well, but it's really going for gold now. How many lemons we got there? Probably, I don't know, maybe 20. It's not a very big tree, it's only like maybe 3 foot tall, but it's pumping. It's going to be awesome. Here's our peach tree. We should have actually done some pruning on this, but we didn't. But this is going to be good as well. Lots of growth on there. A few flowers, plenty of flowers on there. This is going to turn into peaches. We're going to have loads of peaches. Next year we'll prune it. Due to a lack of effort, we got plenty of mint. Just growing wildly. Just growing. Probably need to mow it. This is an apple tree right here. That needs to be pruned as well, otherwise we're not going to be able to reach the apples. So we better do that sooner rather than later. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a grapevine on the back wall there. That's going to produce loads of grapes. Is that parsley? No, that's not parsley. That's gooseberry, is it?
Yeah, that's a gooseberry.
So it's all gooseberry.
That's not.
Yeah, that's not. That needs to come out, but I haven't got gloves on, so I'm not touching it. So this is our gooseberry plant. We're yet to have any fruit of it. It's been in there for, I don't know, maybe a couple of years. But hopefully we'll get something out of it. And we've just put in these tyres just to, so it doesn't...
There's holly growing in here.
Oh, there's some holly. Excellent. We have to pull all that out. We have to do a bit of a clean up on all this. This garden's a bit of a mess since last summer.
Oh. Sorry.
Yes.
Don't call me that on... Don't call me that on camera.
It's over. Get out of here. Marriage is finished. Oh look, a couple of snails. Some snails over there. We've had no snails since we've had chickens. They've been in hiding, but they're still here.
Oh, they've got it.
Yeah.
Try and dig that lily out as well. It's there.
What lily?
There.
Oh, yep. Now, if you need any tips, you come to the right place, because clearly we're professional gardeners.
I have to go over top. It's good. Good. Hi, Rita. Hi, Rita. How's Rita? Hi, the bee.